Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to be doing a getting ready with me everyday looks that I do every single day. This is just basic what I do every day just to put on the makeup and get out the door. So let's get started into this video. But if you haven't, please like and subscribe down below and leave me a comment of what you think. Thanks, let's do this. So let's get into this video. So first off, what I do is moisturize. Moisturize your face. I don't care what you say, what you do. You have to moisturize your face. This one I either got from Trader Joe's or the Fresh Market, but I believe I did get it from Trader Joe's. It's the Norris Enriched Intense Antioxidant Facial Moisturizer. So let's put a little bit of this all over my face. Secondly, what I do is I take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Warm Honey and I put it under my eyes. Then I take my beauty blender and I blend that out. Give my skin somewhat of an even tone skin color too. I try to get these little spots. Then I take my BH Cosmetics HD Brow Pencil in the color Brunette. And I'm going to fill in my eyebrows. My eyebrows are a hot mess, as you could see. When I was younger, I think like in middle school or high school, I used to thin them out, and it sucks because once you get older, it's harder to grow them back, so don't thin out your eyebrows. And I like dark eyebrows. I just think it gives the face such a nice look. Again, this is just my everyday look. It's not like a glam fest or going out with my friends or anything. It's just my everyday work look. It's really simple, but yet functional, and it just looks nice at the end of the day, because I don't want to go to work looking like I just rolled out of bed. No, don't do that. That looks pretty good. And yes, everybody's eyebrows. One has more hair than the other one. I don't know why. One side of my hair has more side than the other. I don't know why. That's just how life is. But then I'll take my little spoolie and brush out my eyebrows to make them look even. They look good, right? What do you think? Not bad. Like, this step you can do if you have time. If you're running out of time, then don't do it. But you can take some concealer on a little concealer brush and clean up your eyebrows. Actually, it makes it look a lot nicer. And make sure and clean underneath too. And this brush is just a cheap brush. I think I got at TJ Maxx. I have other concealer brushes, but this is just the one I grabbed. Better already. Okay. Next thing I do is my eyeshadow. I'm going to use the Urban Decay Old Feminine palette. It's an old palette, but the colors in here, they're pretty neutral, excuse me. And I just use like almost the same shades every day. But first I'm going to take this Hard Candy primer. This is not my best primer, it's just one, again, that I use every day. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use the same concealer brush that I used to fix my eyebrows and paint on eyeshadow primer. And paint it on this side too. I'm going to take my BH Cosmetics number 24 blending brush, and I'm going to put it in the Lost color, this color down here. And that color I'm going to put in my crease. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side too. Yeah, I want more of a natural look for everyday. Again, only because it's an everyday look. This is an awesome palette. When Urban Decay came out with these palettes a long time ago, they were really nice. Like, ooh, maybe? Yeah. And I'm going to take the color Bordello. It's like this really pink, kind of like lightish pink color. And I'm going to put that on top of my eyelids. I'm going to use the same brush too. Then I'm going to blend both colors together with the same brush. And then the color Skimp, this white color, I'm going to put it on my brow bone. 8-hour wear. I'm just going to take this and put it all over my face so my face has an even flow going on there. I don't want to look all patchy all day. I'm just going to use the sponge that it came with. And this is in the color Matte Tan. I'll show you that color again. Looks a little bit different on camera, but that's just how it goes. I ordered a new camera, so my new camera should be coming within a week. So bear with me with this one. And I know there's a weird sound on it. I'm sorry about that. Okay, I think that's good. Next thing I'm going to do is take this brush blush from Urban Studio. I got these brushes from Marshall's, and they're really nice, soft, fluffy brushes. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to put some blush on my cheek. And the color I'm going to use is Fiji Fun by BH Cosmetics. I really like BH Cosmetics. They're affordable and their products are really good. I use them a lot, but then like I have all different kinds of products, but this is just, again, my everyday look. So this is what the color looks like. It also has like this shimmery patch in the middle. It's really pretty on. And I like a lot of blush, so I put it on, I pack it on because I have to be at the office for at least 8 to 10 hours a day. So once I put my makeup on in the morning, that's it. I'm not going to touch my face for the rest of the day. Unless I'm just going to just blot my face, because every day my face does get oily. Whatever. It happens. The next thing, I'm going to take my Morphe M10 brush with this little spoof on the end. I'm going to take my Master Chrome by Maybelline. I love this stuff. It's highlighter. This is in the color Molten Peach. It's really pretty. And I'm going to just a little highlight on the nose. Cupid's bow. There. Sometimes I do liner, sometimes I don't, just depending on if I have time or not. But today I'm going to put on eyeliner for you guys. I'm going to put on the Ulta Liquid Matte Black Eyeliner. Just like so. And I like to wing my eyes. I don't put on lashes every day because, again, for the workplace, no, I don't have time for all that. I go to work and then that's it. And then I wing it out just a little and then connect the wing. And your wing is done on one side, like so. And do the other side. Alright, and there you have it. The last thing I'm going to take is this Ulta Amp Lashes and just put a little bit on my lashes, and then I'm going to call it a day. Alright, so this is my everyday look. Tell me what you guys think in the comments below. Like and subscribe to this video, and I can't wait to see you guys next time. please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys!